pretty cool flag. Nice big sidewalk chalk American flag right there.
Yeah. Somebody was definitely playing in traffic.
Yes, they were breaking the law.
This looks dangerous.
Here's Jacob Novosel Studios setting up his camera.
Yep, setting up the curve.
Trying to figure out how to turn it on.
Perfect shot.
Hope he's got his selfie stick.
Yep.
Like a true modern child.
Now I gotta drive away from him.
Oh boy.
Yep, we're getting away.
Hope there's no cops around. We're running a red light.
Oh, not again.
Oh no.
Red light.
Breaking the law.
Film the camera guy.
Oh, they're pulling ahead of us.
Oh no.
Get it going. Come on. Warm up the tires. There we go. We're gonna win, I can tell. Epic race.
We're gonna win this race yet. Round up there like that.
Got a filletable dude up there.
He's very relatable.
Very.
Seems friendly.
Yeah.
Very friendly.
Waving at everyone.
Camera's on too, so perfect timing.
Got him.
It's raining clown ducks.
It's raining ducks.
Yes. There's kind of a parade going on here.
Yeah, why are they letting traffic into the parade?
I bet you Jacob's gonna want to go on that slide.
I bet he will.
I bet he will. $5, I think I can make him do it. Might take 10.
Might take 10.
Uh-oh. Tow mirrors.
Tow mirrors in trailer position.
Sorry, he needs them giant mirrors on a trailer.
I mean, you need them big tow mirrors for that little jet ski.
That huge jet ski trailer.
Huge jet ski trailer.
Whew. Things are heavy. Wow. There's Jeeps behind us. And Jeeps in front of us. It's like a regular Jeep parade out here.
I mean, it is. Like
Voyaging
everywhere.
our way down to the sand. I'm betting they're all getting stuck, and that's why we're stopped. What do you mean it has to be in four-wheel drive?
Which switch is that?
Yeah, is that a button? See, look. Four-wheel drive.
Oh no. Now we lost what channel we were on.
Oh no. Too bad it's adjustable.
Yeah, I don't remember. Was it 24 or 25?
Try 24.
Was it 24?
I think so.
Okay.
That's what we were on last week.
Hello.
Maybe it was 25. They're not responding.
Hello.
You can have a lot of weird footage to edit out in this.
Hey, have you ever even been down here?
I have not been down here.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Too bad we're not going out on the sandbar. That was always fun.
This is where the invasion takes place.
Depends which way we turn.
Well,
Alright, do we park in the water or by the water? I didn't bring my snorkel. Or my flippers.
I'd say we just kind of line up
Okay.
with everyone else.
Alright.
I don't like being part of the system either, but sometimes you gotta follow the rules.
Drowning just does not seem like a good option.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay to be a rebel, but not by drowning.
That and there's some of them thunder chickens down there.
Oh, there are thunder chickens. Those are technically cobra chickens.
Yeah. Well, it depends if they're squawking or not.
Yeah. Turkeys are thunder chickens.
Yeah.
Beware of the cobra chickens. And there's a bunch of Jeeps over here.
You do travel in herds.
They do move in herds.